Today, I'm showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily or permanently. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your device. Step 2. Menu access. Tap the menu icon in the top right or the bottom right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. This expands a submenu. Tap Settings from that submenu. Step 4. Open Accounts Center. In Settings, tap Accounts Center. This is where you manage your Meta accounts, including Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Step 5. Select Personal Details. Tap Personal Details from the list of options. Step 6. Account Ownership and Control. Tap Account Ownership and Control. This section lets you manage what happens to your account. Step 7. Deactivation or deletion. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. You'll see a list of your Meta accounts. Step 8. Select your Facebook account. Tap on your Facebook account name to select it. Step 9. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now you have 2 options. Option A, temporarily deactivate. This hides your profile and content, but keeps everything saved. You can reactivate anytime. Option B, permanently delete. This permanently removes your account after 30 days. You have 30 days to change your mind. Select your preferred option and tap Continue. Step 11. Enter password. For security, enter your Facebook password to verify it's really you. Tap Continue. Step 12. Select Reason. Choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account from the drop-down menu. Options include privacy concerns, too many notifications, or just taking a break. Tap Continue. Step 13. Confirm deactivation. Review your choices one final time. Then tap Deactivate My Account to confirm and complete the process. What happens after deactivation? Your profile, photos, posts, and comments will be hidden from other users. However, some information may remain visible, like messages you've sent to friends. Your account is saved and can be restored at any time. How to reactivate? To reactivate your Facebook account, simply log back into Facebook using your email address and password. Your profile will be restored exactly as you left it. Important note about permanent deletion. If you chose to permanently delete your account instead of deactivate, you have a 30-day grace period. During this time, you can cancel the deletion by logging back in. After 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Facebook account and can return whenever you're ready.